Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the think and analyze part of your chapter number 3. It is on page number 30. Okay, what does this portion say? This says that what is the difference between snow-fed and rain-fed rivers? What are perennial rivers? Give examples. So, do you know that what are these rivers? You can understand by their names what are snow fed and rain fed rivers. River which is fed by snow. Rivers जो कि snow से बनती हैं. Okay, fed by snow and snow like glaciers. So you can easily identify that river like Ganga, which is formed by the melting of glaciers, that are snow fed rivers. And the rain fed rivers like Kaveri, Godavari, Krishna, it is formed in the lower southern part of India. They are not originate from glaciers. They formed by the rainfall. जो rainfall से बनती है rivers, that are rain fed rivers. I will show you. Let's see. Okay, so what does it says? The first thing is snow fed rivers. Rivers formed by melting of snow or glaciers are called snow fed rivers. So rivers which are formed by the melting of snow, like when snow melts, जब बर्फ पिघलती है, then वो किस में convert होती है? It will convert into a river. We have learned about it. And that river is called a snow fed river, like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, okay, Alaknanda. We have learned about all of them. They are snow fed rivers. Now, after that, rain-fed rivers. The rivers flow throughout the rainy season but dried up in the summer are called rain-fed rivers. The rivers which flow in the rainy season, जब बारिश आती है तो वो बहने लगती हैं, उनमें पानी आ जाता है. But जब summer season आता है, they dried up, वो dry हो जाती हैं, and that is called a rain-fed river. उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? Rain-fed river. अब when summer season come, जब summer season आता है तो यहाँ पे तो snow melt होने की वजह से पानी आता है, क्योंकि whenever summer season हाँ तो heat increase होगा तो snow melt होगा. Then these rivers got water, but these rivers like Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, there is no rain. That means no water. Okay, and these rivers dried up. ये नदियाँ सूख जाती हैं. So the river flows throughout the rainy season but dried up in the summer are called rain-fed rivers. Okay. So up to now we have learned about the snow-fed and the rain-fed rivers. So what are perennial rivers? Okay, what are perennial rivers? So river which flow throughout the whole year are called perennial rivers. जो river हमेशा बहती रहती है पूरे साल, उसको हम perennial river बोलते हैं, like Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra, Satluj. They all are perennial rivers because they originate from Himalayan glaciers. Himalayan के glaciers से निकलने की वजह से ये perennial rivers हैं, and it flows throughout the year. It cannot dry. ये कभी भी नहीं सूखती है. So, and there is opposite, it is non-perennial rivers that dried up, like Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. So we can say that snow-fed rivers are perennial rivers and rain-fed rivers are non-perennial rivers. So I hope you all understand it. Let's revise one more time. That what are let's see in map first. So watch this. This, we know that these are Himalayan mountain ranges, and river like Ganga which originate in Uttarakhand and Yamuna also originate in Uttarakhand flows throughout the year. We can see these blue lines. ये जितने भी blue lines आपको दिख रहे हैं ना, they all are rivers. Okay, here you can also see, इनको देखो, you can also see these are also rivers. This is also a river. This is also a river. This is also a river. This blue line are river. So this is river Ganga and this is river Yamuna. They flow whole year. ये हमेशा बहती है, तो it is a perennial river. And river like, now where is Kaveri? It must be, yeah, it is Krishna. I found Krishna. This is river Krishna, at the southern part of India, and it dried up. ये सूख जाती है, okay, in summer season. So that is why it is a non-perennial river. And river originate from Himalayan mountains from snow, melting of snow. They are called snow-fed rivers. And these rivers which originate due to rainy season rainfall, they are called rain-fed rivers. Snow-fed का मतलब snow से fed होने वाली, snow से melt होकर बनने वाली. Okay, that is why we call it snow-fed and rain-fed rivers. Read this topic and I'll send you the picture of it. Write in your notebook as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.